Hello dear students, how are you? I hope you are fine. This is Dharmbeer Singh, your English teacher. We hope you are staying home and staying safe. For the meantime, till the schools are not allowed to open, we will study through videos. Today we will study English reader and the topic is a tree house. So dear students, this is the second chapter from your English reader book, A Tree House. A Tree House. So in this chapter we will read, here is a story to make a house by a tree. So there is a small family. They are living along with their father, mother and their four young boys in this family. The family is on sea voyage. The ship was badly damaged and struck some rocks. So they found an island near the rocks where their ship was struck. Okay, so they took along with them tools they found on the ship like gunpowder, some animals like two big dogs, a cow, a donkey, two goats, a pig, two sheep, and some hens and ducks. So these are the animals which they carried along with them, which they are having on the ship. Two big dogs, a cow, a donkey, two goats, a pig, two sheep, and some hens and ducks. They spent their first few nights under a big tree, but one of them had to watch all the night and they also had to light a big fire to keep away all wild and dangerous animals, because lots of animals and dangerous animals are living there and they were wild. So here is the father along with four children and her wife. His wife. The father described what they had done that night. So this is a story basically what they did night, and about that this is a chapter, a tree house. Okay. So what they did it that night. Father describing in his words, that night he was feeling restless. When the fire got low, he heard strange noise. Imagine the some wild animals were coming nearer and nearer, and he was afraid and could fall asleep. Then father said that when we woke up in morning, we got the work building a tree. Then they start working, and what the father decided, they decided to make a tree out of. They decided to make a house out of tree, with the help of tree on the tree. Okay, so what there is a procedure given, and what they did together, and by which kind of activities they built the house, and basis of that they save themselves and keep save themselves, and they make the house out of tree. Okay, the first thing, they made a rope ladder and had brought from the ship. One end the rope was tied to very branch so we could climb up the tree. This is the story, dear student, father is describing. Okay, then he described about his eldest son Fritz. He climbed the ladder onto the tree, and his wife and the second son Ernest had gone the seashore to collect the wood. They returned soon with a lot of wood tied on the back of our donkey. He was also pulling along with a large load of wood. So dear students, you see, if they assemble the things very in proper manner, all the four sons help them to make a house, and the animals they carried along with them, they also help in making the house. And her wife and second son Ernest, they gone to seashore, they collect some boats, and with the help of a donkey they carried and pulled another load wood. Okay, then they made a floor by wood along the lower branches of the tree. Then they planked firmly to branches. Then they hung all the thick sailcloths over the branches on the top of this floor and good roof. Okay, the trunk of the tree was back wall of the house, and So it hung down and made two more balls. The fourth side remained open. They could look out over the countryside and plenty of cool air coming into the house. That's why they remained the fourth side open. Soon their house was ready. They made the table and some chairs with the wood that was left. To celebrate, they ate a seabird that wife had cooked for dinner. They tasted like a fish. Then they were so hungry that they ate it up all. Okay, then they lit a fire on the ground to keep the wild animals away from the own animals. Then they spent that night in their tree house. The two elder boys carried the bedding and climbed up the rope ladder quickly. His wife was afraid and she was managed it with some good how. Means she managed to climb on tree. Jack ran up to finally and carried the Francis, their younger son. Now in this story we read the elder son was Fritz and Ernest, and the two younger brother were Jack and Francis. So there are four sons. First one name is Fritz, second one is Ernest, third one is Jack, and fourth one is Franchise. Okay. After that I untitled the rope ladder and pulled it up after me. Now they are safe in the tree, said the Jack. The father name is Jack. Nothing can climb here. And he kept along with him a gun to protect herself and from himself from wild animals and attack them. But night passed quietly. So dear student, this is a story about how they make the tree, and they use the the things which they are having. They carried a gunpowder and two big dogs, goats and pigs, and two sheep and some hens and donkeys. They took the help of each and everybody, and together they make their house with coordinating each one. So this story suggests us we should coordinate among ourselves and we should help each other, and if together we stand, we make a good family and a strong family out of it, and we will always be benefited by living together. So this is a story he shared. His father, whose name is Jack, he is discussing the story how they stayed there night, how they stay there and spend the night in the sea voyage. After the ship was badly damaged and stuck by the rock, what they found near the rock, their ship was struck. So this is a one night story, and they make the house out of tree. Dear students, there are some bird meanings. You have to write this bird and meanings in your notebook, and you have to complete this comprehension based on this chapter. You can read this chapter once again. If you are having books, well and good. If you don't having books, just back it like this. You can pause this and read this story from here, and from here, and afterwards complete this bird meanings in your notebook. Then choose the correct answer options. Okay, then fill in the blanks, and after that state true false. Complete this only on in your book only. And the D1 is answer the following question. What you have to do is, why had they light a big fire? To keep themselves safe from wild animals. And why did they build a tree on house? Okay, so to make them themselves safe. Name the four sons. You have to already I mentioned the name of four sons: Fritz, Ernest, then Francis, and fourth one you find it, okay, from your book. Why did the father pull up the rope ladder? You know why he pulled the rope ladder. So read this chapter once again and try to find out this answer and complete this in your classwork notebook. If you are facing any problem, you can ask me, you can call me. You have to complete your work from 8 a.m. to 12 am. You can ask any doubts and queries. I will answer to it, and afterwards 12 to 3 p.m. you have to post your answers in your class WhatsApp group. Thank you dear student for watching it. Watch it again and again. If you're facing any problem, you can contact me. Thank you dear students.